Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about GALAX new RTX 4080 Super 3X graphics card. So friend, GALAX has released a new model, the GeForce RTX 4080 Super 3X, a custom design graphics card positioning as one of the more affordable options their RTX 4080 Super lineup, and this model sits below the SG, HT, EX Gamer and Hope series of GALAX products. So friend, this card a multi-layer plastic colored shroud complemented by triple fan configuration, and the cooling system maintain a thickness of 3 slots and incorporate dual aluminum fin stack at either end of a set of heat pipes, enhancing thermal distribution, and the printed circuit board extended to cover only two-thirds of the card's length, allowing airflow from the third fan and partial airflow from second fan to pass directly through the heatsink and exist via a cutout in the backplate. And unlike some competitors, the fans do not include lightning element, and the sole illumination come from GeForce RTX logo positioning on the top of the card. And while the GALAX GeForce RTX 4080 Super 3X does not feature factory overclocking, GALAX provides a software-based one-click OC mode at the core of RTX 4080 Super lines. The AD103 GPU utilizing its capability with 10,240 CUDA cores, 80 RD cores, and 320 Tensor cores, 112 ROPS, and 320 texture mapping unit, and the GPU is equipped with sustainable 64 MB of L2 cache, facilitating efficient data handling. Memory specification includes 16 GB GDDR6 memory. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.